Yeah, man. Fidele Ndagijimana. Roots and culture. Listen to the message. One love, one people. Back in the days in our village, there was respect and harmony. Children listened to their parents, and neighbors lived like family. We dressed with dignity and pride. Good manners were our identity. Hard work was the key to life, and love united every family. Mama taught us how to live, Father showed us honesty. But now I look around today and ask myself what happened here. That's not who we are. No, no, no. That's not where we come from. We forgot respect and dignity, and now the culture's fading away. That's not who we are. No, no, no. I don't know where our values went. We used to stand for love and honor. Now I miss the old days again. Nowadays many young people don't wanna work for what they need. Everybody wants the fast life without planting any seed. Laziness is growing stronger, and pride is taking over hearts. Things that used to break families now are praised like works of art. In the streets and at the parties, we copy everything we see, forgetting all the precious values that shaped our true identity. Come back to the roots again. Don't let our culture die. Respect yourself and others, and hold your head up high. Let us love and honor work. That's the way to build a future. Together we can rise again and bring back our true nature. That's not who we are. No, no, no. That's not the way we live. Our culture was built on kindness, respect and unity. That's not who we are. No, no, no. But hope is still alive. As long as I keep singing, our roots will survive. One love, roots and culture. Fidele Ndagijimana. Never let the culture fade away.